Hello everyone, welcome to Omadeba Maths class. We have a problem to solve today. The problem is the curved surface area of a cone of a height h and the base radius is pi r square root h square plus r square. Make h the change of subject. Now from the question above, we want to make the h the change of subject. So we write out the formula, which is the area is equals to of the cone the curved area surface of the cone is equals to the area, which is a pi r square root h square plus r square. So that is the formula. So it is this h we want to make the change of subjects. So the first step is we'll square the both side. We'll square the both side. We'll square the both side. So this square will affect everything inside this bracket altogether. So here, after we square the both side, we now have a square. Now remember, this one will affect everything here. So we now have pi square, pi square. Now this square, it will affect the square root of this. You'll be left with h square plus r square. So that's the first thing. So we have squared the both sides. So we arrive at this now. So next is we're going to divide both sides. So now we'll be left with this. So we divide both sides. We'll divide both sides with pi square and r square. So if we divide both sides by pi square, both sides by pi square, the arrow square. So when you do that, when this one will, when you divide both sides, this one will go with this one will go with this. Now you'll be left with a square over what? Pi square, the arrow square is equals to h square plus r square. So you can write this. You can write this as you can change it the other way around. You can write it h square plus r square is equals to a square over what? Pi square r square. So the next thing to do, we're going to subtract r square from the both side of the equation, this side. So we have h square plus r square minus r square, minus from both sides a square over r square. So when you do that, so this we take care of this. So we now have h square is equals to a square over pi r square, then r square minus what? R square. So the next thing is we're looking for what? The h. So we're going to square root the both sides to remove this square. So if you square root the both sides, so you have h is equals to square root a square over pi square r square minus r square. So this is going to be our final answer. So the h from this what we just solved now is h is equals to square root a square over pi square r square minus r square, the final answer. Thank you for taking your time to watch my maths class. Please, if you have learned something about, you have gained something about this my class, please remember to subscribe. Bye bye.